Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset the settings of WooCommerce to the default, so let's get right into it. Now, to reset it, you are going to need to delete the WooCommerce and any data associated with it, so I'll be showing you it with this guide. The reason I'm using a guide because I don't have the money to purchase the business plan, which is required for use of plugins on WordPress, so I'm pretty much tied, my hands are tied in regards to that. Now, this is by Woostify. I do recommend you check it out if you have any other questions, but without further ado, let's get right into the step-by-step process. Now, to reset it, you have a quick way by just going to the dashboard, going to plugins, clicking WooCommerce within the search field and clicking deactivate, and then you can uninstall it by going to the wp-config PHP file through the FTP or file manager, and then just scroll to the bottom and add this line, and that should be it. Once you're done with that, you can then again press deactivate and then delete to remove the WooCommerce plugin from your admin panel, and that should be it. You can go again and remove the code from the wp-config file if you don't want it to delete again once you reinstall it, so definitely do that. You can also delete it manually by clearing all the data you have, all product data, everything related to that, screen options, product options, categories, coupons, orders, etc. And you also need to delete the status logs, and you can also delete the tools or clear the transients and clear the expired transients as well. You then need to delete your customer details by going to users, all users, and under bulk actions, click delete and click apply. Once you're done with that, delete it from the dashboard or the plugin from the dashboard in its entirety, as I've mentioned previously. Just go to plugins, search for WooCommerce, deactivate, and then delete, and then you can get rid of other custom fields with the cPanel or other tools. You can then just reinstall WooCommerce by going into plugins, add new, and then install now, activate it again, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.